Welcome to Telemax's video on how to use a Y cable to install a GPS tracker. In addition to the GPS tracker, you may want to use a Y cable, which allows you to conceal the device and still use the OBD2 port. Make sure your vehicle has a good network coverage area and clear skies to see GPS satellites before you start. The next step is to locate the OBD2 port. You'll usually find it near the steering wheel or under the vehicle's dash. Removing the OBD2 port can be done by pressing the release tabs or removing the screws holding it in place. Place one of the white OBD plugs back into the original OBD port that was removed from the vehicle. Either white plug will work. It doesn't matter which one you use. The black connector from the Y cable should now be plugged into the original vehicle's OBD2 port that you first removed. Plug the GPS tracker onto the remaining white OBD2 plug. Now that the tracker is powered up, it will connect to the network. The lights on the tracker will flash initially. Wait until the GPS and network lights become solid red. These are the lights on top and in the middle. When the solid red lights stop flashing and become solid, Telemax can communicate with the tracker and locate its position. Look for a stable mounting location under the dashboard or behind the instrument cluster. Find a location such as a wire bundle or bracket. Do not mount the device directly under metal surfaces, as this may block the GPS and network signals. To prevent movement, the device should be firmly attached to the vehicle with zip ties. Having installed the tracker correctly, you can now monitor its progress in real time by using the Telemax software.